Have you ever thought about what happens to your possessions and your legacy after you are no longer here? Many people prepare a will to ensure their wishes are known, but for those who live by Jewish values, there is an additional layer to consider. It is about making sure your final arrangements not only respect secular law, but also beautifully uphold your deeply held traditions. A halachic will is a crucial legal instrument designed specifically to align an individual's estate planning with Jewish values and law, known as halacha. It ensures that your assets are distributed in a way that respects both secular legal requirements and the intricate rules of Jewish inheritance, thereby honoring the deceased's spiritual legacy and maintaining family harmony. The core reason a halachic will is necessary stems from the differences between secular inheritance law and traditional Jewish law. While secular law typically allows for complete freedom in distributing one's estate, halacha has specific directives regarding who inherits what, often prioritizing male heirs and requiring certain forms of conveyance. A standard secular will, if not carefully constructed, can inadvertently violate these Jewish laws. The halachic will employs legally recognized mechanisms within secular law to achieve a halachically compliant distribution. For example, by utilizing a conditional gift structure that allows the distribution of assets to mirror halachic guidelines while still being valid under civil law. To create a halachic will, the process involves collaboration between a qualified Jewish legal expert, such as a rabbi specializing in these matters, and a secular estate attorney. They work together to draft a document that includes specific clauses or conditional gift arrangements, sometimes called a shtar matana al tinai, which directs the beneficiaries to redistribute assets according to halachic principles, or makes the initial gift contingent upon their agreement to do so. This careful integration ensures that, while the document is legally binding in the secular sense, its ultimate effect is in line with Jewish tradition. It is important to remember that this is for informational purposes only, and you should always consult a qualified healthcare professional, rabbi, or genetic counselor for personal concerns. One interesting aspect of this alignment involves the principle of dina de malchuta dina, which means the law of the land is the law. While Jewish law acknowledges the validity of secular law, it also seeks to ensure that certain religious obligations, such as honoring specific inheritance patterns or providing for certain individuals, are upheld. A well-crafted halachic will navigates this balance by structuring assets as conditional gifts or by using debt recognition mechanisms, thereby satisfying both legal systems without conflict. This careful legal work, often involving a shtar hatzi zakar or a shtar matana al tinai, allows the spirit of Jewish law to be fully expressed. Ultimately, choosing to create a halachic will provides immense peace of mind. It ensures that your estate planning not only reflects your financial wishes but also deeply respects your Jewish faith and values, promoting continuity, family cohesion, and spiritual merit. This thoughtful preparation becomes a final act of devotion, leaving a legacy that is both legally sound and spiritually resonant for generations to come.
If you value faith and wellness, like, subscribe, and stay connected.